Hi guys, it's your boy Femboy the Goat back again with another video. So today I'll be analyzing gold and GJ. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with GJ and explain everything that has been happening and how to identify structures, whether the structure is bullish or bearish, and how to um, and learn how to be able to adapt on the market movements, because it's not like every time the market will be moving the same direction. So it changes. There's always something new. So like yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I'm seeing here. I'll delete and start afresh. So as you can see here, firstly we have I'm just gonna stick to current movement, then I'll go back to what I've drawn. So as you can see here, we had a resistance level, we had another high there, of which I didn't use. I was gonna use it, but price didn't reach or didn't push up or didn't break this level, so it was still valid, so that's why I left it. So as you can see, this is our resistance level, and the market or the price respected that area, then it rejected and pushed down. So as you can see now, this we are now pushing down. There are a lot of things that also confirm that. Firstly is momentum, of which I normally look at most of the times, whether we have momentum on that direction or not. So when there's a loss of momentum, you see something like this. As you can see here, the price was pushing down, but slowly losing momentum. Then we had the big candlestick. So those are the things that I look for when I'm trading or when I'm analyzing. So as you can see, this is a weekly time frame. So I'm just I'll try to be fast and stuff to make you understand what happened or what I'm seeing, how to identify if the market is trending or ranging. So as you can see here, I dragged my trend line from the lowest point to the highest point. So already this indicates that uptrend. I don't know why is it not drawing. Okay, so I'll try to, I think my Wi-Fi has a problem kind of, so I'll try to fix that. So while I'm fixing that, guys, the broker I use for currency pairs is Exness. So when it comes to trading volatility 75, it only derive. The link is on my bio of the channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment if like there's anything that you want me to share with you. So yes, so the nice thing about the broker I'm using, Exness, is that the withdrawals are instantly, so you can even withdraw on and automated, sorry, so you can even withdraw on weekends and still get your money like fast. So if it's like crypto, it can even take up from like 1 to 2 minutes or even less than that to for the funds to reflect or to your crypto wallet or whatever that you'll be using. If you're using a bank account, I'm not sure with bank accounts, because it quite sometimes it takes time, sometimes it doesn't, so it differs. If you are here in Africa, it normally takes 2 hours if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm having a network connection problem. I don't know what's going on, but I'll try to fix that. So anyways, let's see, I think I'm back online. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave the link for Exness down below, so make sure you sign up with that broker. It's a good broker, guys. It's very legit, and it's also regulated in many sectors or many countries, except for United States. I'm not sure about United States. So, and yeah, make sure you sign up with Xness. There are a lot of things that you can benefit from that broker. To people who are not able to use MT4 on their iPhone, especially if you are using a iOS phone or laptop or so whatever, they have their own trading viewer that allows you to place trades on it. I mean place trades, sorry. So you are able to place trades, unlike here, because here you have to link your account and you have to pay some certain fees and stuff. So if you are Xness client, it's free. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue where I left here. So yeah, let's continue. So as you can see, the market is trending. How do you also see when the market is trending? Especially when it's an uptrend, it's very easy. It creates higher lows and higher highs, as you can see. Higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high. So here it started trending, guys, because the price was moving in a range, so like moving in two places. So that's how you see a range and stuff. So the market was moving in two different prices, but at the same price and stuff. So the market was ranging. That when the market started ranging, that's the reason why I had my support and resistance, which was broken and retested. So we, after creating a higher high, then we had a higher low here, we created another high, then a new low, another high, then a new low, another high. So the market was trending, but at some point it was ranging. So like these kind of structures are not actually good to trade sometimes if you are not able to understand how is it moving and all that. So after that we had a new lower low, then a lower high here. So this is the indication that the market is now or the structure is now changing the direction to being bearish and stuff. So this resistance area, which was like resistance area, sorry, tend to be support. Why am I saying that? Price is above this area, so that's how you see or that's how you identify support and resistance. So the price was above the area, so this had tend to be our support level. What else that you have in confirmations to say that the price is might continue dropping? As you can see, the momentum here, we had the small candlestick and we had this huge drop, but this drop wasn't just a drop. The reason why I'm saying so is that when this happened, there was a news event on, I think, on a yen, so they were kind of like explaining what's going on here. So yeah, the okay, I'll do another video to explain what happened here, because there was a news event which caused that drop. I remember very well, although I wasn't active on the chart, so I didn't place any trade here, but even if I were to trade, I'll be able to catch the trade before the move happened. I will show you how. So right now we have broken this trend line. As you can see, this candlestick broke and we had a new candlestick on the weekly. So as you can see, we are rejecting that candlestick, or the candlestick sorry, we are retesting or rejecting that broken trend line. So now we are approaching for our support area. So what I'm waiting for here is when the price gets down here, I'm waiting for the price to actually push up, since we're in the uptrend. Or if it breaks, then that will mean the structure is now broken. We should start looking for selling opportunities, although the structure is broken based on this trend line, but I want more confirmation. So yeah, as you can see, the candlestick is rejecting the trend line and stuff. So yeah, What else? Yeah, that's all for now here on the weekly time frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and move to smaller time frames and move that that trend line and this arrow or arrow, you can say it anyhow. So as you can see, this was our resistance level. That the thing I like with this resistance area, we tested it like many times. As you can see, okay, I won't count that one because that way we marked it. So this is our first time, second time, then and then third, fourth, then fifth. So I won't count this because this was like kind of like a fake out. So as you can see, this resistance is very strong. This indicated a strong bearish pressure on this area. When the price got here, it always pushed down, although they tried to push it up, but it still came down. So this area was very strong. It was very strong. Okay, so that indicated that sellers are more powerful than buyers. The buyers fail to break the price or to break this area or to push the price up. So yeah, what else do you see here? We have a triple top formation. So a triple top formation is more of like an indication which indicate it indicates a reversal of a trend, right? That's number one that you have to be looking. That's the first thing that will be happening. It indicates a change of a trend. It's similar to double top formation. So it indicates an end of a trend or a reversal, of a trend, that the trend might reverse and stuff. So those are the things that you have to be looking, or you must look at when analyzing. So as you can see, we had that we had this resistance, and we have this triple top formation. Right now the price has started to like push up a bit. So this is what might happen, or this is what I'm expecting. Let me just use the paint. So what I'm thinking here that might happen, price might push up to this area since it broke and never tested it, and push down. Or maybe if we break this area, we can push like up, then push down. So those are the things that I'm waiting for right now. But before it does that, maybe it should come at least here to this support area, just to show, just to, you know, to give the buyers opportunities, to sell, to enter, then push up to retest the broken structure. So that's what I'm waiting for here on gold. Hopefully on GJ, hopefully it does what I'm expecting it to do. So moving to smaller time frames like H4, you can see that we have that minor resistance, which is like more of like double top formation of what I've just spoke about. So what am I seeing here? Right, as you can see, the momentum, when the price pushed up here, the momentum started slowing down on the upside. So it started pushing, like the buyers started losing the momentum around this area. As you can see, sellers were more powerful to shift or to change the price. So we might experience or get maybe a drop to this area. This would be my TP if I were to enter here, guys. Sorry about not explaining. To those who are wondering what type of a trader I am. I'm a day trader or intraday trader, so I normally analyze big moves on bigger time frames to take an advantage on smaller time frames and stuff. So this is what I'll be waiting for, expecting, or this is what I would do. Let me delete that because there are a lot of things here. So I'll place my entry there, but I wouldn't place it on H4, so I would probably move to smaller time frames like H1 or M15. Then look for entries there, place my stop loss and everything. That would be my TP. So maybe I might cut it off here, around here, or anywhere there. So that's how I trade. So back to that drop that I was talking about. So as you can see here, we have a higher high, then a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low again. So this, what does this indicate? That the price is now dropping down in smaller time frame. And I had that beautiful support area which was broken, then the price broke it again, then it pushed up and retested nicely. So some of you might some of you asking why I didn't use this zone. It's still valid, guys. It's just that to me this zone was more clear than this one, because this is what happened here. It faked out, then you know there are a lot of fake outs and stuff. Even here it faked out and still retested and dropped. But even though I would have still shortened the GJ here around this area, because there were more confirmations on what the market was gonna do and stuff. So as you can see, moving to H1, you can see that buyers were failing to break the structure of this area. They failed like 3 times. So this is also an indication of the buyers failing to or the loss of momentum. So they lost momentum, then sellers came in and yeah, and shortened the price. So this is what I'm looking at here. I'm also gonna do another video. I'm not gonna do it same time. I'm gonna do another video for I'm gonna do another video analyzing gold and showing you what I'm expecting on gold. So that's it, guys. I hope this helped you. I'll see you on another video. I'm also gonna do a volatility 75 just for this December. So to those who want me to do more videos, just leave me a comment below and ask me, guys, about trading, on how I trade, or if maybe you're also interested in some other topics about trading volatility, because I've seen that most of you like the topic or the content of volatility, analyzing volatility, showing you how to trade volatility 75. Remember, volatility 75 is not affected by the real world events, so it moves even on weekends, and it's only traded on derivatives. So it's a synthetic indice, guys, something that's been made and programmed by a laptop or with a laptop. So I'm gonna do another video, guys, in shortly, then I'll upload later. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share, guys. Don't forget to share the channel. Help me to reach at least like 100 subscribers. That will be that will mean a world to me, guys, if you can help me to reach that goal. So thank you, guys.